CIA Part 2 Study Guide 2023 has 190 study points with question in mind and 290 true-false questions to help you pass the CIA Part 2 exam in the first attempt in just 2 months. It is designed for working executives' smart learning. CIA Part 2 is known as the Practice of Internal Auditing, and it is the structure of the Internal Auditing course. CIA candidates have to give at least 3 hours on daily basis and 6 hours on weekends for 2 months consecutively to pass the CIA exam from the Institute of Internal Auditors US. CIA Part 2 Study Guide is an integrated printable PDF format optimized for all screen sizes. You will be having the access as long as you wish to. There are no time and device restrictions. Furthermore, Zen support and guidance are complimentary until you pass the Certified Internal Auditor exam. You can ask as many questions as you wish, either through WhatsApp or email, and I will answer to the best of my ability. Supplement your CIA Part 2 preparation by subscribing to the CIA Part 2 Exam Questions 2023, which contains the 1050 multiple choice questions with explanations of all answer choices. Zen Academy aims to create the best CIA exam prep course at affordable pricing. You will get 100% confidence, support, and a guaranteed 90% result. CIA Part 2 learning videos will be accessible from YouTube, giving you the confidence to retain topics in your heart. You will save valuable money and time on subscribing to premium access to videos and attending classes. Follow the Zen Academy's Facebook page for the latest updates, communications, and reviews. Subscribe to the Zen CIA Part 2 Study Guide 2023 from the link provided in the description and start the journey of professional excellence.